Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Robinhood Crypto trading for US investors, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Robinhood Crypto trading, first, ensure you have the Robinhood app installed on your device. Open the app and log in to your account. If you do not have an account, create one by providing your email address and setting a password. Once logged in, navigate to your account by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. In your account menu, locate and select Investing to view your portfolio. Scroll down to find the Crypto option. Tap on Crypto to access the cryptocurrency trading section. If this is your first time accessing crypto, you may need to verify your identity. Follow the prompts to complete the identity verification process, which may require uploading documents. Once your identity is verified, return to the Crypto section. Here, you will find a list of available cryptocurrencies to trade. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to invest in. To start trading, tap on the Trade button, then choose Buy or Sell. Enter the amount you want to trade and review the order details. Confirm your transaction by tapping the Submit button. Your cryptocurrency trading is now activated, and you can start buying and selling. You can track your crypto investments in the same Crypto section of the app. Familiarize yourself with market trends and news updates to make informed trading decisions. Remember to regularly check your account settings and security preferences for optimal protection. Once you are comfortable, explore advanced features like setting price alerts or using recurring investment options. With these steps, you are ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency trading on Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.